Hey everyone, warm welcome you all. Yes, friends, today we are going to discuss famous poem which was in sonnet form by Edgar Allan Poe, who was an American poet. He composes a very famous poem that is the title "To My Mother." Yes, friends, in this video we will discuss complete analysis of this poem. So, without any delays, let's move on to the topic of the video, "To My Mother," which was a sonnet poem by Edgar Allan Poe, an American poet. So, friends, this is the poem, which is sonnet form, and it has 14 lines. Sonnet has a 14 line. That's why this poem contains 14 lines in a form. And "To My Mother" is a poem about motherly love. What Edgar Allan Poe feels for her mother, for her deceased mother who is no more now, and also for her mother-in-law, that all is very beautifully described here by Edgar Allan Poe. So let's move on to that. Friends, before discussing about the poem, first we should know something about Edgar Allan Poe, who was the composer of this poem, who was the poet of this poem, "To My Mother." Edgar Allan Poe was born on July 19, 1809, and died in October 7, 1849. This is the time duration of Edgar Allan Poe, who was the American poet, an American poet, writer, editor, and literary critic. This was the literary genre he tried. And next we have, he was born in Boston, the second child of actor David and Elizabeth Eliza Poe. His father name was David and mother name was Elizabeth Eliza Poe. Both were the actors of that time, and Edgar Poe was born in Boston. His father abandoned the family in 1810 and his mother died the following year. Yes friends, उनके पिताजी ने घर को त्याग दिया था, उनकी फैमिली को छोड़ दिया था, और उनकी माँ उसके नेक्स्ट ईयर वो मर गई. Poe was raised as a foster child by John and Frances Allen of Richmond, Virginia in Virginia. Yes friends, उसके आगे एडगर एलन पो का जो पालन पोषण था वो एज अ फॉस्टर चाइल्ड उनका पालन पोषण हुआ जॉन एंड फ्रांसिस एलन के द्वारा वर्जीनिया में. नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द पोएम. Yes, To My Mother by Edgar Allan Poe is a devotional sonnet in which Poe describes his feelings for his own mother and the mother of his wife. Yes, means mother-in-law. This is poem about it's about a devotional sonnet, and in which Poe describes about his the feeling for his mother, for his own mother, and for his wife's mother, means his mother-in-law, because his father was have abandoned his family, and his mother was also died when he was about 3 years old, and later on he was brought up by as a foster child by John and Frances Ellen. That's why he had a something very nice feeling, very emotional feeling about the motherhood, about her mother, his mother, and also his wife's mother. This poem was first published in Flag of Our Union on July 7, 1849. Yes friends, ये poem जो थी टू माई मदर, जो फर्स्ट पब्लिश हुई फ्लैग ऑफ आवर यूनियन जो कलेक्शन था उसमें, ऑन जुलाई 7, 1849 को ये फर्स्ट टाइम पब्लिश हुई, एंड लेटर ऑन इट वाज पब्लिश्ड एज अ सोनेट टू माय मदर. यस, लेटर ऑन इट वाज पब्लिश्ड एज अ सोनेट and the title was Sonnet to My Mother. Friends, let's discuss the theme and brief summary of the poem To My Mother. This is one of the most popular poem about mother and child relationship. Yes, friend. This poem by Edgar Allan Poe, "To My Mother," which was a sonnet, and this is very famous and popular poem on the relationship of mother and child. In this poem, Poe addresses the complexity of his emotions towards his biological mother, who was no more now, and his wife, and as well as her mother. Means this is a poem about in which Edgar Poe addresses the complexity of his emotions, of his feelings for mother, that is for his biological mother who is no more now, and his wife, and also his mother-in-law. The poem begins with the speaker describing the importance of the term mother. This is the poem about mother, and he describes the importance of mother in this poem. This he believes that this phrase was coined by the angels, as that there is no word so devotional as that of mother. Edgar Allan Poe highly describing about the term, about the word mother, and he said that this word must be coined, must be discovered, must be created by some angel. That's why this word is so devotional, as there is a devotionality, there is some kinds of feeling, and it is as pure as mother. There is nothing in this word which is more devotional as mother. Motherly love, death, and infinite love are the major themes of this poem. Yes, friends, these three are the major themes of this poem. To my mother, motherly love. The poem described about the motherly love of his deceased mother, of his mother-in-law, and also about death and about infinite love in form of mother. The speaker talks about three precious relationships in his life: his biological mother, who died when he was a child; his aunt, he means his mother in law; his wife's mother, who looked after him after his mother's demise; and his love, who happens to be his wife too. He, in this poem, To My Mother, Edgar Allan Poe describing about he talks about the three precious relationship in his life. That was his mother, who is no more now; his mother-in-law, who is his wife's mother; and also about his wife. He shows emotional love for his aunt, who enabled him to lead a liberator life. Also, she gave him the love of his life, Virginia, who was the wife of Edgar Allan Poe. For this reason, the word mother is not an ordinary term for him, rather, it is sacred name coined by angels. Yes, friend, starting of the poem, Edgar Allan Poe बोलते हैं कि yes, this word mother must be coined, must be created by, must be discovered by any angel. That's why it has so much devotional power, it has so much devotional touch in the phrase or in the word mother. Friends, let's talk about the structure of the poem To My Mother. To My Mother by Edgar Allan Poe is a 14 line standard Shakespearean sonnet. Yes, friends, this is a sonnet form poem of 14 lines, and this is a Shakespearean sonnet. It has a three quatrain and one couplet, and the rhyme scheme of this poem is A B A B C D C D E F E F G G. Like all other Shakespearean sonnets, the poem can be separated into two quatrains. Yes, friends, sorry, it has a two quatrains and a set of four lines, and one final set of six lines, that is sestet. And the two quatrains means eight lines are called octave. Last and six lines are sestet, and the last two lines of which are couplet. Last two lines of the sestet of six lines, that are in a couplet form, like the general Shakespearean sonnet. And the what poetic technique Edgar Allan Poe used in his poem To My Mother. Poe makes uses of several poetic techniques to the My Mother. These include alliteration, enjambments, anaphora, and hyperbole. And the first alliteration, for example, my mother, my own mother. This is the line which is in form of alliteration. This is the line, nine line as well, which my mother wife, with which my wife, in the 13 line. It has a poetic technique like alliteration, hyperbole, and enjambment Edgar Allan Poe used in his poem To My Mother. So, friends, this in this poem video we have discussed some important facts related to the poem To My Mother, which was a sonnet poem of 14 line, and it was formed in a Shakespearean form of sonnet. It has a octave, sestet, and also in a sestet it has a couplet. So, next we will discuss this poem in a detailed summary in Hindi and English both. Till then, stay connected with English Zone. Thank you very much for watching this.